Imagine this. It's Saturday evening, your apartment smells wonderful, the food is almost ready, and then, ding dong, your guests are at the door. Your heart is beating fast, and your brain goes completely blank.
What do you say? What do you do? Do you shake their hand? Do you hug them? Do you ask about the food? Do you...
David, stop. You're making it worse.
Sorry, but honestly, hosting people in English can feel really scary, right?
It really can. But here's the good news. Today, we're going to fix that together.
And we're going to do it with a story.
A very real, very relatable story. So stay with us. Welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. And if you're new here, hello. We are so happy you found us.
At Fluento, we do things a little differently. We don't give you grammar rules and long word lists. Instead, we use real conversations, real situations, and real English, the kind you actually need in your life.
And today's situation? Hosting your very first dinner party in English.
We're going to follow a woman named Sophie. Sophie is 31 years old. She lives in a small but lovely apartment. And tonight, for the very first time, she is having guests over for dinner.
She's nervous, she's excited, and she's going to make one very big mistake along the way.
But we'll get to that. First, let's meet Sophie's evening. Ready?
Let's go.
It's Wednesday. Sophie picks up her phone and calls her friend Marcus.
Hey, Sophie, what's up?
Hey, Marcus. So I'm doing something a bit different this weekend. I'm cooking dinner at my place on Saturday. Would you like to come?
Oh, wow, really? You're cooking? That's new.
Yes, don't say it like that. I can cook, you know.
Of course. I'd love to come. What time?
Around 7? It's nothing fancy, just a small, relaxed dinner. Maybe 4 or 5 people.
Sounds perfect. Should I bring anything?
Actually, could you bring some bread? I always forget the bread.
No problem. See you Saturday. Okay, let's pause here for just a moment. Did you notice what Sophie said? It's nothing fancy. What does that mean?
Great question. Fancy means very formal, very elegant, very expensive. So when Sophie says nothing fancy, she's telling Marcus, don't worry, don't dress up, don't bring a gift, just come and relax.
It's a really useful phrase. You can say it about food, about clothes, about an event. It's nothing fancy, just a casual get-together.
And Marcus asked, should I bring anything? This is super important. In English, especially in British and American cultures, guests almost always ask this question. It's polite.
And the host can say a few different things. You might say, just yourself, which means you don't need to bring anything. Or, like Sophie, you can ask for something specific. Could you bring some bread? Could you grab some dessert?
Grab is a very casual word, by the way. It means get or pick up. Could you grab some wine on your way over? Very natural English.
Now, Sophie also calls 2 more friends. Let's listen to one of those calls. This one is a little different.
Hi, Lena. I'm hosting a dinner on Saturday. Would you like to come?
Oh, Saturday. I'm not sure. What kind of food are you making?
Oh, well, I was thinking pasta. Maybe a salad, too.
The thing is, I don't eat gluten. Sorry, I should have told you sooner.
No, don't apologize. I'm really glad you told me. I can absolutely make a gluten-free option. No problem at all.
Really? Are you sure? I don't want to be any trouble.
You are zero trouble. I'll make a separate pasta for you. It'll be delicious, I promise.
Sophie, you're the best. I'll be there.
Beautiful, right? Let's talk about what Sophie did really well there. Lena told her she has a dietary restriction. She doesn't eat gluten.
A dietary restriction means a food that someone can't eat or doesn't eat. It could be for health reasons, allergies, or personal choices.
And Sophie's response was perfect. She didn't make Lena feel bad. She didn't say, oh, that's so complicated. She said, I'm really glad you told me. And then she offered a solution.
That phrase, I don't want to be any trouble, is something guests often say in English when they feel like they're making things difficult. And the host's job is to make them feel comfortable. Sophie did that beautifully.
Before we move on, one more phrase from this scene. Sophie said, "No problem at all." This is stronger than just "no problem." The "at all" at the end makes it feel very sincere, very reassuring.
You can use it whenever someone apologizes or worries. Sorry I'm late. No problem at all. It's warm, it's genuine, we love it.
It's Saturday, 7 o'clock, and ding dong.
Sophie opens the door. It's Marcus. He's holding a big bag of bread. Maybe a little too much bread.
Marcus, how much bread did you buy?
You said bring bread. I didn't know what kind, so I got 3 types. You're welcome.
Get in here. Come in, come in. Oh, it's cold tonight.
Something smells incredible in here. What is that?
Tomato sauce from scratch. Can you believe it?
Genuinely impressed. Can I help with anything?
No, tonight you are a guest. Just relax. Let me take your coat, and what can I get you to drink?
Whatever you're having.
Sparkling water for now, the wine's for dinner. Go sit down. The others will be here soon.
Let's look at some of those phrases. Sophie said, from scratch. Do you know this expression?
From scratch means you made something completely by yourself using basic ingredients, not from a packet, not from a jar. I made the sauce from scratch. It shows effort. People love hearing it.
Sophie also said, tonight you are a guest. This is such a lovely thing to say. It means stop trying to help. Sit down. Let me take care of you. It makes the guest feel very welcome.
And she said, let me take your coat. Offering to take someone's coat when they arrive is a classic hosting gesture in English-speaking cultures. It means settle in, you're staying, you belong here.
15 minutes later, the doorbell rings again. It's Lena, and she's brought someone unexpected.
Sophie, hi. I hope it's okay. I brought my cousin. He's visiting from Canada, and I didn't want to leave him alone. I should have asked. I'm so sorry. Are you kidding? The more the merrier. Hi, I'm Sophie.
Hi, I'm Jake. Sorry to crash your dinner.
You are not crashing anything. Come in. Are you hungry?
Starving, actually.
Perfect. That's exactly what I like to hear.
2 beautiful phrases in that moment. The first, the more the merrier. Do you know this one?
It means the more people, the better. The more the merrier. It's warm, it's welcoming, and it instantly makes an unexpected guest feel okay about being there.
The second, Jake said, sorry to crash your dinner. To crash, a party or dinner, means to show up without being invited. It's a casual, slightly funny expression. And Sophie's response, you are not crashing anything, is perfect.
And then she asked if he was hungry, and he said starving. Literally means dying of hunger. It's dramatic, but in casual English, people say it all the time to mean very, very hungry. It's very common.
Now, remember we mentioned Sophie would make one big mistake?
Here it comes.
Everyone is in the living room, chatting and laughing. Sophie is in the kitchen, and then...
Everything's ready. Come to the table.
Sophie carries the big pot of pasta to the table. She lifts the lid. She smiles. And then Marcus looks at the pasta and says, Sophie, is it supposed to be this color?
What? Oh no. Oh no. I forgot to add the salt to the water. The pasta, I think I overcooked it. It's completely stuck together.
Hey, it's okay. It still smells amazing.
It looks like one giant pasta brick.
I've eaten worse, I promise.
Okay, new plan. Give me 5 minutes. I have more pasta. We can do this.
We'll wait. Take your time. Honestly, Sophie, we're not in a rush.
You are all very kind. And you are never letting me forget this, are you?
Never.
Ah, we love Sophie. Okay, what did we learn from the cooking disaster?
First, mistakes happen. And in English, how you handle a mistake socially is just as important as the mistake itself. Sophie laughed at herself. She called it a giant pasta brick. That self-deprecating humor, laughing at your own mistakes, is very valued in English-speaking cultures.
Also, did you notice nobody made Sophie feel bad? Nobody complained. That's important guest behavior too. Good guests make the host feel supported, not judged. 20 minutes later, the new pasta's ready. It's perfect. Everyone is at the table. Okay, everyone, please go ahead and help yourselves.
Sophie, this is genuinely delicious. I mean it.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad it worked out. And my gluten-free pasta is incredible. I can't believe you did that for me. Of course, you're my guest. It was the least I could do.
So, Sophie, how do you and Lena know each other?
We went to the same university. We were in the same building, different courses, but we kept running into each other in the kitchen. Every single morning, fighting over the one good kettle.
That's how friendships start.
Exactly. Marcus, how's the new job going?
Really well, actually. It's been a tough month, but I think I'm finding my feet now.
I'm really glad. You worked so hard to get there.
Beautiful dinner conversation. Let's highlight a few things. Sophie said, "Go ahead and help yourselves." This is a lovely hosting phrase. Help yourself means take what you want, serve yourself. Don't wait for me to do it for you. It's warm and it gives guests freedom.
She also said, "It was the least I could do." This is a humble, warm phrase. It means, of course I did it. It was easy. You deserved it. It makes the other person feel valued without making a big deal of the gesture.
Marcus said he was finding his feet. This is a great idiom. To find your feet means to become more comfortable in a new situation, a new job, a new city, a new class.
And notice, Sophie asked her guests questions about their jobs, about how they know each other. This is a key skill at a dinner party. Good hosts make the conversation move. They include everyone. They make sure no one sits in silence.
If you have a shy guest, like Jake at the beginning, you can bring them into the conversation gently. "Jake, what do you think?" Or, "Have you ever tried this?" Small questions that open the door without pressure.
It's nearly 10 o'clock. The dinner is finished. The bread, all 3 types, is gone, and the guests are getting ready to leave.
Sophie, I have to say, this was really special. Thank you.
Thank you for coming, and for the bread, obviously.
I'll bring less next time.
3 types was perfect, actually. Don't change a thing.
Sophie, seriously, this was one of the loveliest evenings I've had in a long time. You should do this every month.
Every month might kill me, but maybe every few months.
It was really great meeting you, Sophie. I'm sorry again for showing up unannounced.
Jake, stop apologizing. You made the evening better, genuinely.
Well, if you ever visit Canada, you have a place to stay.
That is the nicest thing, thank you.
To everyone heading to the door, good night, thank you, it was amazing, drive safe, text me.
At Sophie at the door, waving. Good night, thank you all for coming, get home safe. And just like that, Sophie's first dinner party was over, and it was a success.
Let's take a moment to revisit the most useful phrases from tonight's story. Anna, you go first.
Okay, it's nothing fancy. Use this when you want someone to feel relaxed about an event or a situation. Nothing formal, nothing stressful.
No problem at all. More sincere and reassuring than just no problem. Use it when someone apologizes or worries.
From scratch. You made something yourself from the beginning, using basic ingredients or materials.
The more the merrier. The more people, the better. Use this when an unexpected guest arrives or someone wants to add people to a plan.
We're not in a rush. There's no hurry. Don't panic. Take your time.
Help yourself. Take what you want. Serve yourself. Don't wait.
Finding my feet. Getting comfortable in a new situation. Adjusting.
Get home safe. A warm goodbye. You can also say drive safe or text me when you're home. These small phrases show that you care about someone.
And one more. Sophie said this at the very end. Thank you all for coming. All. Not just thank you for coming. Thank you all for coming. It's small, but it makes every single person feel individually seen.
So, what did you think of Sophie's evening?
We want to know. In the comments below, tell us, have you ever hosted someone in English? Or is it something you'd like to do one day?
And here's a little challenge for this week. Pick one phrase from today, just one, and use it in real life, at work, with a friend, with your family. The more the merrier. No problem at all. Help yourself. Just one.
And if you want more episodes like this, conversations, stories, real English for real situations, make sure you subscribe to Fluento. We have new episodes every day, and we are always here, cheering you on.
Because learning English is not about being perfect, it's about being understood, and you are doing so well.
We mean that. We really do.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep going, And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye.